Hey everyone, this is Rose, and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be another one of my... Ooh, I think I have some indigestion there. Of my double mystery Birchbox unboxings. Now, if you're not familiar with these type of videos that I have on my channel, I will link my playlist up in the cards. I am basically a beauty subscription hoarder, and when I initially get these beauty boxes, I might go through and pick out a few things initially, and then these honestly just get kind of to the side, embarrassingly. And so I decided to go in and pick just randomly two. Normally it comes out to be one being extremely old and the other being kind of more recent. But it kind of gives you, I feel like, a good idea of whether or not has the program always been consistent, or did it used to be better in the past, or is it better now? And so something else that I do, I will put up the values of the samples and compare the values of the boxes to let you know whether or not Birchbox is really worth your $10. So, if you're interested in joining Birchbox, I'll put my referral link down below. Of course, you don't have to use it. But it's one of the oldest and cheapest beauty subscription services out there, and I'm very thankful. I've been a member of it for, I think, 6 years now. And it's been helpful in introducing me to products that I probably would have never thought of using. So, but anyway, I know one of these is really recent, and I think it's this one. And so I'm going to show you the old one first, and I'll go ahead and annotate what month and year this is. Say Yes is the caption on the box, and yes, this one's really old because they don't use tissue paper anymore. But this is the June 2015. Wow. This is the card that basically talks about the theme, and then the back talks about the samples, what they do, and the full-size prices. So Say Yes to Adventure. They actually had a contest that was going, which of course serves me no purpose. And then here are our products. So, okay, so I'm just gonna go in order. We have Kula SPF 50 Sport in Mango. Oh, it's a moisturizer, and I guess that's the scent. The full size is $32. This is 0.5 fluid ounce. I'm really tired, you guys. Of course, I choose to film these videos really late, and I have a slight headache, and I'm taking my migraine medicine, and yeah, I really need to go to bed. What this is, a sweat-proof, water-resistant sunscreen made with organic botanicals and a fun, fruity scent. The next thing, I guess, is inside this pill box. This is the Dr. Jart Ceramidin cream. Full size is $48. Good Lord have mercy. This is 0.2 fluid ounces. Lightweight ceramide pack cream calms and deeply hydrates skin. We have a Marcel waterproof eyeliner. I love waterproof really anything because I'm so oily. The full size is $11. I feel like this definitely can't be full size. 0.028 ounces. And this is in the color Mulberry, which looks like it's probably like an aubergine color. It's definitely, well, I guess aubergine still kind of fits, like an eggplant almost. Blendable waterproof eyeliner goes on smoothly and stays put all day. The next thing is by number 4, which I just know is a really expensive hair care company. Super Comb Prep and Protect. I think this is a leave-in conditioner, which is fantastic because I'm out of leave-in. The full size is $32. This is 1 fluid ounce. What is the deal with this company? I don't know. I feel like I shouldn't complain because I've used the hairspray and that worked really well, and then I've used a mask on my hair and that actually worked really well. But very simple packaging. Sulfate-free, botanical-rich leave-in conditioner, safeguards color, strengthens, and nourishes. And then the last product I'm actually really excited about because I don't own anything by Paula's Choice. This is the Resist, actually no, second to last product. Resist Barrier Repair Moisturizer Retinol. Full size is $29. This sample is half fluid ounce. And it has a pump. A silky smooth hydrator that uses retinol to firm skin, smooth fine lines, and even tone. Which I can use all the help that I can get. And the last bonus item is by Pure Vita. It's a lace headband. Pack of 8 is 18 bucks. This actually reminds me of a headband that I feel like we've gotten before, but I think that was by Twistband maybe, and that thing actually turned out to be really flimsy. This actually feels like it's really strong. But this is how it looks. We've added in this Pure Vita headband to add polish to any style, so. All right, so the value of this first box, which is over 3 years old, is, I'm gonna quickly get into the more recent one. I just have a hunch that this is more recent. Yes, I don't see any tissue paper. And unfortunately, these new cards don't really give you an indicator. I think this, yeah, I'm gonna have to annotate what month and year this is, but I believe this is this year. But yes, they use larger information cards. And then it talks about all the products, and then here are all my items. I'm just gonna go in order. We got an Ico brow liner. The full size is 20 bucks. This is 0.04 ounces. I wonder if this is a felt tip. Yes, it is. Is this in black? Oh no, medium. Right, that doesn't look bad. I was really afraid that it was gonna be black. I gotta admit, I've never used a felt tip brow liner before, but I'm not against trying it. Waterproof brow liner fills in sparse spots and defines each hair to make arches appear naturally fuller. All right, excited about trying something different. Okay, this is the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. Full size is $23. This is 1 fluid ounce. I will admit, I've only tried maybe one Kiehl's product, and it was like a cleansing oil, which I thought worked pretty good. So I'm excited to try this. Detox your complexion, which I definitely need, with this face wash made from exotic Amazonian white clay. Next thing is by La Vanilla. Gotta admit, I'm not too excited to see this because I have on my profile that I don't want perfume samples. This is the Healthy Fragrance Vanilla Grapefruit Eau de Parfum. Full size is $48. It's 0.04 fluid ounces. I think this might be a scent that they have in their deodorants. I know they're very famous for their natural deodorants. And so here's the fragrance sample. Notes of crisp cedarwood and warm Madagascan vanilla mixed with sparkling pink grapefruit make for an energizing scent cocktail. I love vanilla, so I have a feeling that I'm really gonna like this. The next thing is the Marcel City 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturizing emulsion. Full size is $24, 0.23 fluid ounces. Formulated to fight the visible effects of pollution like dullness and dehydration, this moisturizer shields skin from environmental stressors while hydrating and brightening. The last thing is really interesting because it has the sample and then a cool little dropper that you'll use with it. This is a Nature Queen 0.45 fluid ounces root nourishing serum. So I think this is for the hair. This is really cool. The full size of this is $60. Oh my God. And then this is how the packaging looks. So I can only imagine Future Rose is gonna find out what the value of this sample is. Stimulate your scalp with a serum infused with 9 herbs known to promote healthy hair growth from the root. Okay. And so the value of this second Birchbox is, and I'm gonna throw up that first value. Am I still a member? I obviously am. I think this might be July. Future Rose, am I right? And again, this is going to be it. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And this is all I got to say. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and become a part of my random family. I'm sorry guys, this is how I get when I'm like slightly delirious. Don't forget to click that bell for notifications, because it's basically like you're subscribing now on YouTube. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon.